Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking the slide and the object you want to move. Make sure it's grouped if needed. Next, open the Animate Inspector and select Build In for entrance or action for motion. This determines how Keynote treats the object. Once done, set a clear duration, try 0. 5s to start, and choose the trigger. On click for manual control with Build to Sync. This gives you predictable timing and immediate visual feedback as you test. Now you refine the motion. Edit the path and direction so the movement feels natural. Keynote's curve handles acceleration. Select ease in or ease out to match intent. Once adjusted, arrange the animation order and add delays so multiple elements don't compete. This is crucial for legibility. Make sure to preview repeatedly, and when elements overlap, stagger their start times. If something looks off, change the duration or easing. Small timing shifts unlock much smoother animations. Finish by exporting or rehearsing. Export to QuickTime if you need a video, or run the presentation to verify on the target device. Once done, do a full run-through and polish pacing. Adjust a few 0.2s increments if transitions feel fast. If an animation fails to play, first check object layering and that you used build in versus action correctly. Then rebuild the offending animation and reset its start trigger.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.